Hi, good day. Our topic for today is about the introduction of C++ programming. So this will be our lesson one. So what are the things that you will be expecting? Of course, you will be able to discuss what C++ is all about. And you will learn how to compare the program, compiler, interpreter, and the assembler. You will also discover what a compiler is and what it does. And you will understand the characteristics of the errors. Lastly, identify the basic steps in writing the C++ program. So in today's topic, we will be discussing, of course, the overview of C++ and the application of C++, where it can be used. What are the advantages and disadvantages in using the C++ programming language? And lastly, we will also tackle the program structure. And the other topics will be discussed on the later part. So, what is C++ programming exactly? Anyone? Well, if we're going to take a look on the history, there is actually an existing C language already. It's been a long time that this programming language has been existing. The C++ is actually the extension of the programming language C. It is the product of AT&T Bell Labs from the early 1970s. It was developed by Bjorn Strastock starting 1979. Some of the software written in C++ include Microsoft 8, Microsoft Office, the Adobe Creative Suite, and the Mac OS, and there are more. So basically, the C++ is a combination of structured programming language and object-oriented programming, which is no longer constructed or considered in an industry-only language. It adds many features of the C language, and during 1998, the C++ was actually standardized by the ISO committee. Now, you get an idea. So, going back again, what is C++? Okay, it says here that C++ is an extension of the programming language C. And it was developed by Bjorn Strastrup around 1979 and was standardized by the ISO committee in 1998. So that's the review. What are the applications of C++? Well, there are actually many C++ applications which can make this programming language so popular, even as of today. Almost 3 decades of existence, it continues to expand, grow, and develop its standard library functions. The C++ is actually the superset of C. So whatever any new version of C, it will be considered in the C++ program. Okay. Since the C++ is the updated or upgraded version of C, whatever offers in C also does in C++. Have you ever thought how C and C++ survive in this technological era? Well, that's a big question. Well, another question, why programmers and developers are still using the C++? What do you think? Well, one reason is C++, okay, up to now, are still being used in developing the operating system, as well as in the web browser, data management system, the GUI, or what we call the graphical user interface application, as well as in some known libraries. So these are the reason why C++ is still popular up to the present.